Honorable Vinaka family and friends, this story starts back in 2023 on the Big Island of Hawaii. I had gone off to perform at the University of Hilo. Beautiful place, full of spirit and aloha. After the performance, I was just walking through the gang's campus, still buzzing from the show, and then I came across the notice board. And there it was, post of Brother Mike Love. I stopped to look again and said to myself, oh, Sengai, no way. Mike Love? But we had to fly out the very same day, so I never got to see him live that time. But we still had an amazing time, got to be a part of the Mana Festival, which is the biggest hula festival in the world. Fast forward to 2024, I meet with brother Keola from Mana Maoli. That's the fella holding the camera. Solid guy, great vibes all around. We were chatting, and the next thing I hear, he's good mates with brother Mike Love, and he goes, hey, Mike was just here yesterday, but he flew out to the mainland. I just laughed and said, man, Mr. Fella, but one day I will open for him. And now fast forward to a few weeks ago, I get the email, an invite to open for Mike Love. Boy, I swear I had to read it twice. Blown away, sir. Next thing I'm calling people, posting and spreading the word, because this was going to be one real special event.
We acknowledge the traditional owners of this land that we gather here today, and we pay respect to elders past, present, and emerging, as they hold the hopes for all indigenous people.
I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot no deputy.
And when I finally meet the man himself, boy, Mike is just one of the humblest and kindest souls you'll ever come across. Very grounded, full of love and life for people and the music. During soundcheck, he shared a few tips. It was more like a masterclass, straight from the heart, watching him with his pedalboard, how he builds the layers and makes it sing. Boy, lit. Tamani big fire in me. To sing a love song for the missus because she was there. That's definitely one date night I'll never forget.
She opened up the gateway to my soul like a freeway running. All day long she unfolds the smile every time our eyes they tether. I still remember.
The struggle is real and almost breathtaking. Turtles choking on plastic, mistaken for jellyfish. Plastic can holders round and in sets of 6, deforming naturally made God-given birds. And baby whales, stomach filled with big, small, round and white containers, which once sat in our very own fridge, disposed of carelessly. A catastrophe of mass murder in the millions.
And then Brother Mike comes on, and when he started playing, boy, the whole room shifted. It was like time stopped. So powerful and so pure. I just stood there feeling it all. Grateful to the good Lord above for the continued blessings. Grateful for the journey, the music, and the people. Isa vakalevu and for your Brother Mike Love. Wishing you nothing but the best. And next time, let's sit down for that cover. Maybe when it's not so late, like after midnight.